In a small village where the mountains touched the sky, lived a boy who spoke more to the wind than to people. After his parents left the world too soon, he moved into his grandfather's quiet home, where silence filled the rooms like fog. Every afternoon, he'd stop by the old tree on the hill and listen. The wind there felt different, almost like it remembered things he couldn't. One day, the wind hummed her lullaby, faint, like a whisper wrapped in sunlight. From then on, he wasn't so lonely. The wind would visit when he needed it most. Gentle, patient, kind. Some say the mountain raised him. Others say it was the wind. But he knew it was love, hidden in quiet things. Sometimes the world speaks. You just have to be still enough to listen.